Hi friends, welcome to Ideas at Home. Today's video is a highly requested video. How to bake butter cookies in Murphy Richards OTG oven. I have already posted a butter cookies recipe in my Havells OTG. I have followed the same recipe here. The link of that video is given in the description box. I have kept all the butter cookies to be baked ready as per the recipe. Let's see how to bake it in Murphy Richards OTG oven. This model Murphy Richards OTG has got an overheating issue. So if we bake in the normal temperature, the bottom of the cookies will get burned. So we have to follow some tips and tricks which I would like to share with you while baking in this OTG oven. First we have to switch on the main switch. And now we are going to preheat the oven. We are going to set the temperature. In the temperature dial, you can see that between 100 and 150 there are two dots. We are going to set the temperature on the second dot. That will be little more than 125 degree. To understand, I'll mention that you have to keep the dial on the second dot. And to toast mode, that is both rod heated up for a time 10 minutes. For every recipe, while we have preheating, we have to preheat in toast mode only. Now I'll repeat the settings. On the second dot in toast mode for about 10 minutes. We'll wait until the oven gets preheated for about 10 minutes. While 10 minutes of preheating is over, you'll get this string sound. Now we'll open the oven door and place the baking tray with the cookies in the middle rack for baking. This is the middle rack. Now we'll close the oven door. And now we are going to change the temperature. Now we are going to change the temperature from the second dot to the first dot just after 100 degree marking. We won't change the function knob. The function knob we will keep at toast mode itself. That is both the rod heated up for a time 20 minutes. I repeat, the temperature will be on the first dot just after 100 degree marking in toast mode, that is both rod heated, for 20 minutes. During this baking time, that a red light can come on and off. That is quite normal. Many of you have asked me a doubt on that. That's why I mentioned. Now 20 minutes in toast mode is over and you'll get a tring sound again. We'll open the oven door after putting the mittens because the whole oven will be very hot and the steel surface will also be very hot. You have to be very careful. You can see that our cookies is perfectly baked. When you take it out from the oven, it will be little softer, but when it cools down, it will become even crispier. Now as the baking is over, we'll switch off the oven. You have to change the function knob to off mode and switch off the main switch. It will take some time for the oven to cool down completely. Our perfectly baked butter cookies is ready to be served. The bottom of the cookies is also golden brown in color and it's baked inside out properly too. When the butter cookies cools down completely, you can store it in an airtight container. Here I am storing it in a glass container. Please do try this easy butter cookies recipe at home. Please do watch my other OTG recipes too. Please do share your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.